The problem statement in question 2 says that in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median AD. So here's a triangle ABC that I have drawn for you. Let's first draw the median from A to BC. So from A we join the midpoint of BC. The midpoint of BC is D. So AD becomes the median of triangle ABC. And then we are told that E is the midpoint of this median AD. So we take the midpoint of AD, that's E, and then let's join B to E to get this segment BE. And now we have to show that the area of triangle BED is 1/4 of the area of triangle ABC. So the area of this small triangle BED is 1/4 the area of the whole triangle ABC. So this is what we have to show. So I'll first explain the reasoning that we will use to solve this problem, and then we will write out the proof step by step. So first, think of this segment BE. This segment is the median for triangle ABD because E is the midpoint of AD. And we know that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangular parts of equal areas. And this basically means that if you take this triangle BED, this triangle, the area of this triangle will be half of the area of BAD. So that's the first step of our reasoning. The area of BED will be half of the area of BAD. And then we make use of the fact that AD itself, this segment AD itself, is the median from A to D. And this means that AD will divide triangle BAC into two parts of equal areas. And what this means is that BAD, the blue triangle that I have highlighted, this triangle will be half of, in terms of area, it will be half of the area of triangle ABC. So let's highlight triangle ABC. So we have A, B and C. So the blue triangle ABD is half of the area of ABC. So once again, let me summarize the steps. So it's a two-step proof. Triangle BED, the small triangle, is half in terms of area of triangle ABD, the blue triangle, and triangle ABD is itself half in terms of area of triangle ABC. And this means that BED will have an area 1/4 the area of triangle ABC. So let's write out this proof now. So in triangle ABD first, this is what we'll consider. BE is a median because E is the midpoint of AD. So BE is a median, and this basically means that it divides triangle ABD into two triangular parts of equal area. So area of BED, the small triangle, area of BED is half of the area of ABD. Alright, and now for the next step, in triangle ABC, the whole triangle, AD is a median. So AD is a median and it divides ABC into two triangular parts of equal area. And this means that area of ABD will be half of the area of ABC. So now just look at these two equations that we have. Area of BED is half of the area of ABD, but area of ABD itself is half of the area of ABC. And from these two, we can now conclude that area of BED is half of area of ABC. So that's 1/4 the area of ABC. And this completes our proof. This is what we had to show, that the area of BED is 1/4 the area of ABC. So question 2 is finished. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.